All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 83,127 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see anything flickering here on the screens, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Got the really dark window tint. I believe it's 5% here on the sides. Now, the very back window and the little quarter windows, you can tell it's a little bit older tint. They're starting to turn purple, but these side windows here next to me, they look really good. So far, shifting really nice. Hitting on the brakes. Brakes feel good. Got the Pilot Sport All Seasons installed May of 2025. Steering's perfectly straight. Alignment feels good. The wheel doesn't shake or shimmy or anything like that. Can put it in manual mode. We'll shift this next round that way. So far, no issues downshifting. Super smooth. Really nice in here. Hear those little crackles on the shift, and that's just barely getting on it. Sounds really healthy. No complaints with drivability whatsoever though. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So all 4 tires were replaced in May of 2025. So they all have a date code of 2024 there. They are Michelin Pilot Sport All Seasons. Looking at the wheel, you do have some rash and some chips around the edges. Got a couple chips on the inner spokes. Then looking at the wide body here, you do have some touch-up spots and a few small gashes. The rest of that looks good. Looking at the fender itself, that looks nice. Now the car does have your typical swirls from everyday washing. Looking at the A-pillar, little rock chip there. Upper rail looks good. All of that's nice and clean. You do have the dark window tint here. Now the side mirror does have gloss black vinyl around it, as well as the hood and the upper section of the spoiler. So now when you look at that, you're going to see little tears on the edges, little spots lifting. It looks like it is white underneath. And so that would be an easy replacement if you want to get that looking brand new. So it does have little scuffs. Looking at the upper side of that door, you have a couple chips here. Typical swirls. Here on the door edge, you got a chip. That lower side looks nice. You have a larger chip here. And then, of course, little rock impacts on that lower side. And then here on the wide body part on that lower section, you're going to see the typical impacts. Now, you have film right here protecting that little edge. But, of course, here, all of this was kind of exposed and, of course, is going to get impacted by rocks. So super common, especially on that wide body part. Here on that quarter panel, that looks good. That section's nice and clean. The rest of that's looking good. Couple little markings here. Like I said, date code on all the tires 2024. You do have some rash right there. A couple small spots here. And a few little imperfections on the inner spokes. I do see some light markings right there. And then with this gloss black wrap, you are going to see a lot of swirls and scuffs and scratches in that. See all the hazing, little dimples. You can see all of that. So if you want that to look really good, you would need to replace that at some point or peel that off, and I believe it is white underneath. So little rock chips, little imperfections. Here on the edge of the hood, typical rock impacts and little chips. Looking at the lens, that looks good. That fog light's nice and clean. Of course, here on the front end, you're going to have little impacts. You have a couple gashes. There's one that's right across the middle. There's a rock chip. A couple little stuff here and there. And then on that front splitter, of course, you do have rash throughout the edge. And then you do have some damage right here. You can see the creases in the plastic. A couple little chunks were taken out right there. And of course on that lower section, if you get really close, you're going to see impacts, scuffs, and scratches kind of peppered throughout that lower side. Here on that very edge, a couple little impacts. The rest of that looks good. Looking at that flare, nice and clean. Here in this wheel, you can see some flaws in there, some touch-up spots, and some rash. And then you can see right here, it looks like the wheel was repainted, and you can see the finish is kind of coming off in that whole section. Down here, you do have some markings on the flare. You have a chip there. Here on the A-pillar, nice and clean. Here on this side mirror, like I said, it is wrapped in gloss black vinyl. This one is in really good condition. Looking at the door, on the edges right here, I do see some gashes and chips. And then I noticed on the inner side of this door, you have a couple scratches right there. The rest of that looks good. Of course, on that wide body here on the rear, you're gonna see the rock impacts and chips. Little scuffs and scratches. You have film protecting that little section, but of course that's the spot right there that took most of the impacts. You have a little scratch right there. Here on that wheel, you can see some of the finish. Looks like it's chipping away. You can see it's kind of tarnished. That or it was touched up and that paint's just kind of peeling. So you can kind of see that throughout. You could always have those repowder coated at some point. And then you can see this is a satin spoiler, but they put a gloss black insert kind of here on that upper section. Looking at the deck lid looks awesome. Here on the taillights, I don't see any cracks or anything there. Typical swirls in this gloss black trim. That taillight looks good. I see some markings on the bumper. Like I said, you can see some little scuffs there. I do see some hard water spot stains throughout the edge, and then you have some markings right there from getting stuff out of the trunk. The rest of that though looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now upper section of that leather looks really good. Buttons are nice and clean. I don't see a bunch of scuffs on that lower section. That looks really nice. Now right here on this trim, you can see some gashes. Looking at that bolster, typical wrinkles from getting in and out. You have the Alcantara inserts. I do see some stains right there. And then you're gonna have your typical wear and little scuffs on the leather on that edge. Upper section though, that looks good. A couple markings there. Here on the steering wheel, full leather wrap. You do have some white inserts here. It looks like that's cracked and busted off there on that very edge. You can just have those removed if you want. I see a white trim there as well. All aftermarket. They also put a little cover over that button. That looks good. Gauges look nice and clean. That screen looks good. You can see they put a cover over that as well. The typical dings right there. Other than that, it looks good. All right, here on the passenger door panel, the upper section there looks really good. Those buttons are nice and clean. The armrest is good. I don't see any scuffs or scratches on that lower section. Here on that plastic trim, that's in great condition. Same with that floor mat. Now you have the Alcantara inserts here with the leather trim. That bolster looks good. Very light wear on that edge. Other than that, that seat looks good. I do see a small marking there on the Alcantara. This side of the console looks good. This is a good angle to see the center part here. You can see some dings in that metal. Got an outlet here. Underside of the glove box looks good. Vents are nice and clean. Of course, the upper side of the dash over here looks awesome. And then that headliner looks really nice. Of course, looking here in the back seats, I know it's very dark, so it's kind of hard to tell. A couple spots on the Alcantara, but otherwise, from what I can see, that seat looks good. You do have some scuffs from getting in and out on that plastic trim. Here in the trunk, all of that's nice and clean. Those jams look really good. That jam's clean, and then the liner here is in great condition. And then you can see that spoiler looks awesome on the underside. It has that satin black finish. All right, scanning through the engine bay, starting with that plastic. That looks nice and clean. From what I can tell, this all looks stock. I don't see any upgrades. Looks good. Underliner, nice and clean.